Hey, what's up, garden friends? Quick little impromptu video this week. I am here up in Grass Valley, California, at the home of Barry Friesen, famed, legendary landscape contractor in our region. And this is his home. It's called Dawn Gardens. It's a beautiful, beautiful demonstration landscape. It covers 8 acres, 3,000 plus species of plants. And I'm telling you, it is absolutely incredible here. As you can probably see from some of the footage in the background. There's like 15 distinct locations and gardens with their own unique identities and plant selections. He even has a historic tree here, a pine tree, formerly known as the digger pine, but it's a Pinus sabiniana, I believe. And it is 135 feet tall. It's the largest specimen of its kind in the world. But he's got, I mean, hundreds and hundreds of individual trees out here in this garden. So in today's video, I'm just going to take you on a quick little tour just to show you just a hint of how beautiful this landscape is. He's up in the hills here, but I'm telling you, there's water features, there's pathways and landscapes that take you all over. And let's just, hey, a picture's worth 1,000 words. Let's take a look. Let me show you what this place is here. Looks like here at Dawn Gardens. Let's check it out. I'll just show them a little taste for the folks at home. So you saw some leaves? Look, so right now we're in the fall. There's beautiful fall color. Everything is just vibrant. Look at that tupelo tree over there, Nisa sylvatica. I think he was saying it's native to like the American, like the South, like Alabama and whatnot. But man, look at these water holes. He's got water features all over. A lot of elevation change. Look at this right here. This is pretty cool too. He's been a landscape contractor for well over 30 years, very successful. I think he got his landscape and horticulture degree out of, I think he said Cal Berkeley. I forget, but the guy is super brilliant. And now he's retired. He's about to be 80. This is actually, the home's for sale. So if anyone's interested, you can buy it. And it's just incredible. I mean, look at these foot pathways. I think he said there's well over 2 miles of foot pathways and little roads that he's created all throughout these landscapes. Look, there's some cannas. So even though we're up in the mountains, look at this is a semi-tropical plant. Cannas are, dude, that's their go-to. If you want that tropical look, but you live somewhere kind of cool, cannas. That's what you got to go with. It looks like he even has some ginger down in there. Really cool stuff. Oh yeah, there's some ginger flowering right there. Looks like beautiful. Is this a cool garden, Liam? You like it, bud? Huh, it's beautiful here. And so we're just on a tour, and this was a cool, look at this tree right here too. Yeah, beautiful. Let's go for a walk. Look at that. Even has like a little wooden. This is his like a little bog area. You can see it's got extra water. The landscaping kind of comes through here with a waterway. And this tree right here is really interesting. Taxodum. God, what did he say the name was? I'll have to look that up. I'll look that up in post. But look at this, just absolutely beautiful. Just so cool. That's what it was. He said it was a type of, was it a cypress? God, I forget. But check this out. So beautiful. He even had, like I said, there's a little wetland here. Let's keep going, Liam. Oh, careful. You don't want to get your feet wet, bud. Let's keep going. I want to show people some more. So this, absolutely incredible. All done by, with the vision of one person who was just fired up. He's like, I'm a bit of an introvert. I love plants. And so you could tell he really did. I want to show you a little bit of his grass garden, which is pretty incredible. Right now we're kind of walking through his spiral garden. And so he was telling me he has these spiral style walkways that spiral around. And when you get to the center of the walkway, he has right in there, you can kind of see it towards the center of the screen. There is a fruitless olive. And then when you make it to the center, you've made it to the end, and then you go all the way back. Once you've made it back to where you started, you've walked half a mile just in this one landscape. So pretty awesome the way that he utilizes space, all the pathways. You can see there's some gaillardia, some euphorbs. Everything's mostly on drip system. And so he's very efficient with how he utilizes the water. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. And everything, I mean, there's mulch and on top of mulch. His use of it is wide, and he just uses it all over and very thickly, and it just has a great effect. You can even see some flowering plants still going right now. But let's zip over to his other garden that I kind of want to show off a little bit, and that's the perennial grass garden. It's just right here. So let me get us in there really quick and show you, because it is just wild what he's done with these grasses. They're just so beautiful. You can actually see, Barry is down there with Austin, my co-host on the podcast, and taking an extra little extra tour. And we're just about done, but man, I just got to show off. Look at these grasses. They're just, Barry likes to put things in drifts or clumps and gatherings and groups, clusters with some punctuation in between. You got some more stuff there, dude? Cool. And so it's just, I mean, I know he's got some beautiful ginkgos down there with some great fall color. Right now, like up in the hills, there has just been the best fall color on some of these. I mean, look at these. As I look back into the landscape, you can see the oranges and yellows, and reds just popping through, and then some that are still staying evergreen, like these fruitless olives here. Very cool. But look at that. Look what you can do with just ornamental perennial grasses. They look so pretty. Oh, there he goes. It's just a fun place to be, and this is a great just example of what you can do with different plants in your landscape. And it's just nice to see what certain plants look like when they're mature. So if you're designing your own gardens, or trying to get creative with what you're going to do, it's nice to be able to get out and just see things growing, see how they grow, how people are growing them, what they look like when they start to get a bit more mature, because then it gives you a better idea. So it's just one of those things that really, if you're new to gardening, or even if you're not new, there's always so much to learn. One thing I like about Barry's garden here is that he has labels on everything. So if you're not sure what a plant is, oh yeah, it's pretty easy to kind of find out what it is, because there's a label nearby. Like even right here, like what's that? Oh, he's type of rose. That's the Westerland, Rudbeckia. He's got it all marked. So it's just that's one of the ways I learned about plants, is just reading labels. So if you got that, it really works out. But look at that. I'm gonna look back here, and you're gonna see this beautiful, how the light works off of these. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Great things are possible if you're willing to work hard and stick at it. And Barry shows us off and just in spades. And look at these ginkgo trees, ginkgo biloba. All right, garden friends, that does it for this video. But check out Dawn Gardens here. Barry's work is absolutely incredible. I mean, this is wild. It's just to think that somebody has created something like this that's so beautiful, so lush, and really impressive. Honestly, it's man, I am stoked on it. So hopefully you're inspired to garden and grow. Take care there, Barry. And you can be like Barry, grow some more, grow. Never stop growing, friends. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. See you next time, friends.